Let us find the equation of this line using the given point and the slope in this manner. So your point given there, which is 2 and negative 1/2, contains your x sub 1 and then your y sub 1 coordinates. So doing that, we have here y minus your y sub 1, which is negative 1/2. Please take note to close it in a parenthesis because the formula is y minus y sub 1 and your y sub 1 is already a negative number, is equal to your slope, which is negative 4 over 3 or negative 4/3 times x minus your x sub 1, which is 2. We are to multiply this portion here with a certain number so that we could cancel the denominator here. And you're also going to multiply the same number on the other side. But there are still some fractions that will arise here. So this is my suggestion. Instead of 3, multiply a certain number which could simplify this to 3 and 2 denominator. Hence, we're going to multiply this by 6 here and 6 here as well, so that the 3 denominator and 2 as denominator will be removed. In this case, this is 6 times y is 6y, double negative property, plus 6 times 1/2 is 3, is equal to, again, this would be cancelled out, but there is something to there. Now there are differences between the two because here the fraction is only a part of a term, but here the fraction is also a constant, so that's why we have a 2. So negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 times x minus 2. Again, it's negative 8, unlike here because you're going to distribute that here, but for 6 here it's the entire. So you have 6y plus 3 is equal to, when you distribute that, negative 8x plus positive, that's positive 16. Then by general form, moving 8x and 16 on this side, positive 8x plus 6y, you have positive 3, but we'll have minus 13. So you will have minus 16 rather. So minus 13 equal to 0. This is your general form. In standard form, you have 8x plus 6y is equal to 13. This is your standard form. If you want to make sure that your answer is correct or not, you could always substitute your given point here. So you have 8 times 2 for x value. Then you have here plus 6 times negative 1/2. Then you have minus 13 equal to 0. We'll be using question mark as we are substituting. This is 16. We have here, so plus, you have negative 3 minus 13 question mark 0. So we reach a portion where both sides of the equation is 0. This means that our answer for general form is correct.